This is my BMW. I love it, except the fact that I hate this orange piece. And that's why today we're going to be replacing it with this. This is a color-matched reflector, and pretty much every BMW enthusiast installs this little piece. But a lot of times they do it the hard way because they either use a heat gun or a blow dryer to heat up this area and melt the glue. In my case, I'm using something a lot simpler. I present to you the power of the sun. I've been baking the car in the sun over the last couple of hours, which hopefully has softened the glue, which means I'll be able to easily push these reflectors in and install the new ones. And installing them is quite simple. Start the car and turn the wheels. Locate these 3 8mm screws and undo them. This will allow you to pry the front bumper off so you can stick your hand in. But before you do that, now that this has been sitting in the sun, all you have to do is give it a bit of support from the back and push this in. This better work. It moved. I'm going to put the screwdriver here so I have more space. Look at this. It moved. Huh. Ah. Works so well. I could have used a camera trick, but no. We're going to use a trim tool to stick it in there and guide it out of submission. Woo! So simple. Simple, so cool. And look, to those of you non-believers, it came off with all of its glue. And now, the one that we removed has an L on it for loser. The one that we are adding also has an L on it. I'm assuming it's for left-hand side. So what you do is you peel it off and then pry it open and slide it in. Oh yeah. Press it from the back so it's squeezed nicely. And we are done. And now that we're done, let's put everything back together. Let's get to the other side. Well, you've already seen me do it, so let's get some cool music going. How amazing does this look? Thanks to some sun and some clever engineering. I'm going to link this product down in the description because you want to get a quality product that perfectly matches the paint, such as this. Again, it's down below. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I guess further down below. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye.